Hello, we're going to look at really quick how to set up Claude Code. So this would be the foundation for you moving forward with some really awesome vibe coding stuff. And you don't need to know really anything to get that done. So we're going to have Claude help us install that. There's going to be a few things you need. Just need your Claude account, and then you're going to need your terminal. So if you're on Mac, all you have to do is type terminal into the spotlight and that will pop up. Next, all you have to do is go to Claude and you're going to type in these commands. And this just sets up some technical stuff so you can use Claude. So all I ask Claude is how do I install Node and npm and then Claude Code on macOS. And for the time being, Claude Code is only available on Mac and Linux, currently not on Windows. So, not knowing anything, Claude will give you two simple commands that you'll use to install. There's something called Homebrew, and just copy this, and we're going to hop over to our terminal, and you're just going to paste that. And then it will install on your computer. And next, just brew install node will install the other component. And this just verifies to make sure things are installed. But if you didn't get any errors, you should be good to go. So then the next thing is all we're going to do is copy and paste this command, and we're just going to paste that command in there. And then once again, you could verify just to make sure Claude's working. So now that we have everything installed, it's super easy to launch Claude. So whatever project folder you're in, so right now I'm just in my coding folder. Or let's say I wanted to So now I'm in a new project folder. All I have to do is type Claude. And there you go. Claude Code has opened, and there's quite a few things you could do. So the first thing you could do is just try out some of the slash commands and see what's available. But it's also very similar to Claude. So in next lessons and just other videos, you could literally just talk to it like, how to. So one thing you need to know is Shift Tab will put it into different modes. So you could see it went to accept edits, and then you can press it again and it'll go into plan mode. So in plan mode, it's like you're just talking to Claude. So I can ask how to make a great landing page for my business, and instead of coding, Claude will think and scaffold out a plan, and then you could switch to auto edit, and then it will start building your website. So this is a good way to make sure you can confirm everything with Claude. Like you could see, it's doing website searching to make sure it gets the best possible site for you. And this is just a good way when you're starting out, not to just dive in and make anything, but also just make the best stuff. So play around and look up some different guides, but this is just the best way and the easiest way to install the things you need and get started with Claude Code. Thanks.